Hey there all YouTubers. Well, I really did it this time. I did myself a pork shoulder for 12 hours on here. I had so much charcoal left over from this basket that I figured, look at all this charcoal, I'm gonna grill some burgers. So I had plenty of charcoal left. I had my burgers, I seared them up, and they were excellent. And I closed the vents down, put the lid on, and the next day I come out to this. Look at that. I cracked my grill stone. Well, I really can't blame grill stone. I mean, I did modify it, and it's probably my fault, but look at that. So, back to the drawing board for me. I mean, this worked out great. I had my reverse flow set up, you know, indirect, and it was working fine. Like I said, I did a 12-hour pork shoulder on here, and there was tons of charcoal left, and I don't know what happened, but that's what I get for playing around. So, alright, it's back to the drawing board, people.